Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna see how we can use Promeai AI to sketch render from and then let's see how it so there will be a link in the description, and if you use that link you will get 20 coins for free. Okay, and then you can try this. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is in the home tab. Here you will find some tools, or if you just hover at the top AI tools, then you will find all the tools that it has. Okay, so for this tutorial we're gonna see this sketch rendering tool. So let's gonna click on this, and here you will have an option to upload an image, and there are other options that others have been created. So let's just find image first. Okay, let me open here in Revit. I have this image, okay, and it will take a lot of time if I want to render this particular. Okay, so the 3D view, I have a 3D here. Okay, so this will take a lot of time if I want to render, but let's see if we can do it quickly. So let me first hide this. Okay, I want to hide this element. Okay, so now it's clear, so that I can take a screenshot. Okay. So let's go to the first this option, and we say click on to add. Okay, and here you will see you can just snip and just Control V for paste, and you will be able to upload here. Okay, so let's see here. It's and you use the Windows shortcut, Windows Shift and S. Okay, and the snip is active. Now I will just snip this. Okay, okay, I will just snip it. This okay, this part. Okay, and go to the website, and here I just put Control V. Here you go, and then it's uploaded. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is here you have bunch of options. Okay, already image, so we have already uploaded our image, no need, and you can put some for context to make it better. I'm not putting any context right now. Okay, so that it understands better. Let's not put any context. Okay, let's see, and we can even add a reference image. Let's not add anything. Let's see how good it is and how well it will recognize everything over here, and let's see. And also you have option for the models, whatever. I will just keep it default. Even you can choose the style, realistic, whatever. Okay, and even you can choose the scene, what kind of scene you want. Let's leave it. And mode also you can choose structure precise. I will just keep it structure. Creativity level, let it be like this. Advanced. Okay, you can put input negative prompt as well. Right now let's keep it like that, and put perspective, lighting, everything. You have all these, and maybe you can choose detail and fast mode. I will generate only one picture. Let's see. It's for 0.1 coin. Okay, so if you sign up with my link, you will get 20 coins. You can have a lot of images. Okay, so make sure you check this one. Let me show you how good is this. Okay, so we generate, and I'm not even using fast mode. If we use fast mode, 1 coin, it will require 1 coin. Okay, so I'm not even using fast mode, and let's say how much time it takes to deploy. I will just click on generate. Okay, now it will show you how many are in the queue. Okay, 87. It's pretty fast, so it's you know reducing. Wow, see, 64 now, and it will show you a message what it's doing, and the tips also. Okay, so if you don't like something, you can remove it. That's what it's saying. Okay, and let's see, and you can also provide feedback. I will not skip this, just let you know how fast it is. Okay, so that you know it. Okay, 21 in the queue, 5 in the queue. Okay, our now I think our will start. Okay, now it's 33% done already. 46%, 57, and then 65. Okay, cool. Let's 72. Quick. Now it should finish, I guess. Maybe 90 and 81. Okay. Okay, it's fast. Let's see the result. Uh, okay. It's loading. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Let's see how good the result will be. Wow, wow, that's a pretty good result. I didn't, I didn't thought it will, exactly guess this stuff. Even this small lighting stuff. It will load a little slower. Okay, but oh, nice. It puts some lighting, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Decent. This is decent. If we had provided more context, and the prompt and more detail, and would have chose the scenery, and then it will have been perfect. But just for visualization, if you have only this kind of a structure, this quickly visualizes it. Okay, So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.